Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to change background of your pictures in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, it is a very simple method. Please follow these steps. And guys, for this process you need to download one application, and application link in the description. I have already downloaded. I opening, you can see appear on the screen. And now guys, tap on plus icon here. Now tap on background, remove background, tap on it. And now tap on add image here, tap on it. And guys, now tap on photo library. And guys, now select the photo you want to change the background. And guys, I am select this one and tap on it. And guys, here tap on choose, tap on it. Now guys, wait a few seconds. And now guys, background has been removed successfully. Now tap on customize, tap on it. And guys, now tap on done. And guys, now tap on this text and he is selected. Now tap on delete and you can see text is deleted. Now tap on picture and picture zoom out, adjust as you want to see. You can see here. Now guys, tap on add and now tap on background and wait a few seconds. Here guys, many backgrounds available in here, you can see appear on the screen. And guys, you want to take any one background, I want to this one, you can see, tap on add here. Now tap on background, tap on it background. Now wait a few seconds. Here you can see background has been updated here. Now select the picture and now zoom out as you want to see. Here you want to select here area. Now tap on here without cutting the pixel. And now guys, tap on done icon here. And guys, now tap on arrow button top right corner, tap on it. And guys, now save your camera roll, it mean your gallery, and open gallery application, you can see appear on the screen. And now guys, here you can see this is my picture. I have changed the background of this picture successfully, you can see appear on the screen. And guys, this application link in description. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.